I can't teach you acting, but I can certainly make you into a better actor. See, I don't believe acting can be taught. It's a complex human experience that needs to be facilitated and guided so that the actors can find and forge their own approach and process. You're not pregnant.
Sorry, what?
You're not pregnant.
Oh, no, but
In fact, your estrogen levels are so low, it'd be impossible for you to get pregnant. I'm so sorry.
No, but the test said that I was pregnant.
Unfortunately, if you leave it out for too long, it can show false positive.
I don't understand. Then what are all these symptoms that I'm having?
Those symptoms can also be indicative of early menopause. I'm so sorry. I also believe that we're all born with the ability to act, and depending on circumstances, we have acted in order to achieve certain goals.
Well, I'd rather be a nobody than a couple of impossible burgers, because all I'm seeing here is some imitation beef.
It's undeniable that we behave differently under different circumstances. For example, if we're going to a party with friends as opposed to a job interview.
Yes, lucky ducky, quack, quack.
Well, we dress differently, that's costume.
This is why I have been advocating for packets, but no one will listen.
No, that's a good thing.
We respond differently, we use different vocabulary, our rhythm is different, that's character.
Sanjay.
Cake Patel.
No, thank you. Ali, you forgot the blackberry syrup. That's why no one's coming to my table. The election isn't over yet. Ali, the syrup, please.
We also try and hide some of what we're thinking and feeling.
Saeed, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
That's subtext. So you see, the process is not alien to us. What is different is the context. Now, how is the context different?
If it were me, I'd probably be thinking, Saeed, don't criticize the government on camera, because if it doesn't work and you do get deported, you're definitely getting tortured and murdered over there. Anyway, I'm gonna go play Pokemon Go. I hear there's a Snorlax near the loading dock.
Well, the context in this case is imaginary. And that's why acting is often defined as behaving truthfully under given imaginary set of circumstances.
Here are pictures of me at the block party in my mostly white neighborhood. As you can see, everybody's smiling. The community is embracing me.
Now, a lot of actors tend to focus on just the craft and the art of performance, and they forget certain factors and elements that would be very beneficial to them when they're actually pursuing a career as an actor.
Why have you never told me this?
It was my decision to grant you Loche, and the burden of repercussions are mine alone. You shouldn't have to carry that weight. It was the right thing to do. Immigrants are making their way into states every day now. It's not uncommon to see someone from a neighboring village at the local mosque.
And these are, for example, audition technique, marketing and branding.
Were you also the one who replaced the straws with these paper things?
Yes.
These have no structural integrity. Why did I even leave Syria?
Okay, you know.
Understanding where you are as an actor, where you want to be, the business of acting.
You wanted to see me?
This is her.
This is Leo Rascal, our regional manager.
I am your worst nightmare. I have worked at this restaurant for 11 years, and I know where all the bodies are buried. Put me back on the books, and that nice, pretty 4.5-star rating stays right where it is.
Works for me.
Regardless of whether you have an agent or a manager, you need to take full charge of the trajectory, the momentum, and the direction of your career. Now, if what I say resonates with you, then look at my website to learn about my range of experience and background and schedule a free consultation session. Thank you.